Whoa. It melts immediately in the water.
Or you just can't see it.
No, it melted.
Whoa. Whoa! Don't step there. I think it's pretty thin in here. Whoa! Careful here, Carmen. This thing's gonna give way. I could. Oh man. Oh, you hear it? It's gonna go. Whoa! That was a close one. Alright, maybe I'm going up here. Wow. What are you gonna do? Oh wow. Look what happened. You want a hand up here?
No.
Giant picker tree.
Yeah, I'm staying.
Are you gonna come down here with me?
What?
Are you coming down here?
Where?
Down this way? I can hear geese.
There's a trail.
Well, maybe we should take it.
No, my pinky is stuck.
And oh wow, I got one on me too. Cool. Thanks. Oh, that's where they're coming from. More burrs right here. What are we gonna find? A lot of horsetail plants out here.
Warm over here.
Yeah, because there's no wind. Zero wind. There's a lot of ice over on this part. Nice little creek. Kind of like this area. Definitely looks like it gets flooded though.